Well, it's been a few days since we got her loaded on the trailer. I'm going to finally haul it off today and see what we get for it. I did put a junk motor in it and some stuff in the back and a couple junk rear ends, so it probably weighs about as much as a complete truck would weigh. As you can see, we got us a little Trio 5 junk motor sitting over in here to add a little weight. Some junk in the back, a couple junk rear ends. So yeah, probably weighs about as much as a complete truck, like I said. Got her all strapped down, ready to go. I gotta do a couple of odd and end things and then we'll get on the road. Got the old 5.3 in the wind, putting her to work, headed to the scrapyard. See what we get when we get there. Judging by the way the truck's pulling, I say there's about 4,300 pounds on here, maybe a little more. Here. Get pulled up on the scales and see what we got. See that? 11,680. There she goes. Alright, so this is what we got. Made $303.80, which ain't bad considering how low scrap is right now. And it's 4,340 pounds, so I was pretty close on the weight. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm about to get up out of here, go cash this check, and get back to the house. Later. We're gonna see if we can fit this trailer and the truck through this tight little spot here to cash this check instead of going in. Let's see how this works. I think I can fit. Yeah, I could have easily went in, but I like to test my trailer pulling skills. Oh yeah. Yeah, perfect. Perfect.